Hello, and welcome to this short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the action to get more. Get more is used on a web page that is the first in a sequence of many web pages, all of which are similar to the first page, and therefore to one another. For example, you may be looking at the first page of car listings for sale, but you know that there are additional pages of cars for sale based on the next link and counter at the top or bottom of the page. The first page of press release headlines or article headlines are another great example. These listings often have more pages of results that you can get to from a sequential numbering at the top or bottom of the page. There's often some kind of left or right arrow on these numbered scales as well. Another common example would be any time you do a search. Whether it be for jobs or products or a topic, search results on a site often have more than one page of results. In this case, the job title I searched for in a specific zip code has 5 pages of results, indicated by the numbers and next links on the bottom of the first page results. These are all good examples for when you want to use the Get More action. So let's build an agent. Let's go to the House Home Design site. I'm going to look at the selection of counter height dining sets with a dark wood finish. Once the page loads, the first thing we do is an extract. Now you'll notice that there's 44 products that are listed, more than a page worth. Let me identify the data elements I want from the page. Product, manufacturer, and then price. Train a few more items on the page. Check my training. And ignore a few things on the page. A little more training. And great. So now, if I scroll to the bottom, I'm going to see page numbers and a next link. So let me identify the data element that will get me to more listings. In this case, it's the next link. I call this more results. I'm going to save it to my schema as an other element so that I can exclude it from the data results further in the process if I choose to. Now we go to the Actions menu and we do Get More. A More tab appears next to the Extract tab. First, we're going to check the schema to make sure we're using the right one. And then we want to make sure that the element is actually More Results, the one that's going to get us to the More Results page. Generate a set. And once Agent Studio informs you that a new sample set was generated, you click on the OK, and then in the upper right, you can see More Page Samples. You're going to see at least one new sample has been added. Click the new sample, and this is going to fill in the browser area of Agent Studio. Before you save and run your agent to bring back all of the listings from all of the pages, the best practice is to take a moment to ensure that the training from the first page has been applied properly to this additional page. You can do this by clicking on the Extract tab. Take a look at your page again, and you can see that the training is applied very well. So let's click on the Run button, save our agent, give it a name, and now we'll do a 1-minute test run. Our test run brought back everything from both pages of listings in just a few seconds. You can see there's 44 items. That matches the number. You can download all the data you collected, or you can just download the data schema elements, excluding the More Results column, as there's no data in that column. It's up to you. Now you can download your product results in Excel or CSV format. You can save them to your local device or publish them and schedule this agent for repeated data gathering.